I'm going to show you how this year is going to be an epic year for crypto and Bitcoin especially. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are, whenever you are. Thank you for watching my videos. My name is Dimitri Jeremy. I'm in the pipe 5x5, staying alive in Germany, Munich to be exact. And yeah, it's been an interesting few days here in Munich, and I will be staying here for quite some time. And then I'm going to be heading off to Salzburg. I forget where that Austria. Yeah, that's right, in Austria. So that's where I'm going to be headed off to next. It's going to be a nice trip, and maybe I'll do some meetup. Maybe I won't. I don't know. We'll see in the coming days. Make sure you stay tuned. Follow me on Instagram. Follow me on X and Twitter, and then you'll find out if I'm going to do a meetup in Germany. If you're interested in meeting up with me in Germany or even Austria, I don't know. Maybe even Austria, Salzburg. We'll see. All right. With that said, we're going to be going over some interesting news today. Right? Always a live and interesting time to be alive in the crypto space because there's lots of stuff going on. And we're going to be showing you how to trade this crazy market on both Bitcoin and Ethereum. So make sure you watch all the way to the end. And if you're interested in trading it, make sure you trade it at coinw.davincij15.com. Link is in the description below. Or if you want to be part of this private group, which I'm actually recording this live for, I'm doing it at 10:30 Dubai time, not 8:30 Dubai time. It's 8:30 German time right now that I'm recording it. But you could actually participate and join this group and gain early access to all the information that I have available. All right. I said, let's move on to quickly WAFFLESCOIN. Oh my. So it was about to take off. And yeah, we're just breaking back down into this trending zone here. Let's see what happens with Waffles in the next few days. Moving on to, it's an all-time high in TVL, total value locked, for Ethereum layer 2s. Yes, I've been screaming at the top of my lungs for the last, 2-3 months now that layer 2s is going to be the big thing for the future of crypto. For the future, if you want to invest, you want to get in early, layer 2s is where you want to put your money. Now, this is just what's locked into layer 2s, not what's actually their value pumping. Like, for example, Matic, or let's see here, Optimism, Arbitrum, Avalanche, Binance Smart Chain. Yes, some of them have pumped, but this pump is just the beginning. I mean, Binance Smart Chain, you're going to see that over $2,000 for sure in this run. So you're going to see a lot of alpha on all the layer 2s. And if you have not been paying attention and you haven't been listening to me saying this, and you've just heard this information now, well, now is the chance to invest, start slowly buying up these layer 2 coins to see massive pump into the future. And make sure, you sell half on a double, right? Once you double your money, and then take the other out, buy some Bitcoin, save the Bitcoin, and done, right? Because yeah, they're going to do extremely well in this next bull run. Okay, moving on. 4 catalysts that could drive Bitcoin's next big rally. Well, yeah, there's a lot of things that are going to drive. One is, of course, which they didn't mention in this, the fact that it's Bitcoin's bull cycle. So, assuming all the rest of it didn't exist, it's still going to pump, right? But interest rate cuts are coming. Obviously, they might just BS the CPI a little bit more and say that there's no inflation. But yeah, I don't think they'll be able to get too far away with that. So interest rate cuts are coming, especially since, housing prices are just so crazy high and people can't afford. The housings are going to collapse and so forth. So anyways, I really think they're going to see some interest rate cuts in this year. So yeah, it's going to be interesting. A shift in regulation. Well, you've seen it, right? We got Ethereum ETF when everybody was so skeptic against us having an Ethereum ETF, and yet we got one. And, Ethereum hasn't done a whole lot. It already pumped into the ETF listing, but it signals that, we're going to see other ETFs in the crypto space. And it's going to be a mad ride, especially since, it just validates crypto for everyone in North America. And so even if you're buying a meme coin, you don't look like a fool. Believe it or not, it's hard to believe. Just a slight DJ. All right. November elections, right? Well, crypto is a voting block now, right? And because it's a voting block, they have to talk about it. And because they have to talk about it, means that other people have to listen and say, maybe I should buy some crypto. And finally, expanded use. Of course, we are using more and more crypto, right? Meme coins. For different use cases, meme coins. And, it's actually, people are actually developing cool projects, meme coins, on the crypto space. I know. Right now, that's the main thing, right? Yes, we have some runes on Bitcoin, but again, it's just a meme coin. We have quite a few things that are coming up, but these meme coins are creating other markets, other products for you to actually trade these coins. You're seeing more and more decentralized products such as order books, decentralized order books, which allows you to put in a limit order, meaning that, hey, I don't want to buy it at the current price. I want to buy at a lower price. And this is how much I'm willing to pay. And this is how much I'm going to buy at that price. And that's important for crypto. Before, it just used to be just swap, where you had to buy at the current price. Okay. Just in, the percentage of Bitcoin held for 3 years or more hits a new all-time high. I hope that is you. I hope you guys understand the concept of Bitcoin and go, oh, I'm going to get some diamond hands on here. I'm going to hold this asset because I don't care who you are, where you are, or what environment you're in. If you ask any real developer in Bitcoin space, even the people who hate me, like Casper, they've also said there's Bitcoin and then there's everything else. And the reason why is because Bitcoin can't be stopped by any government. Whilst every other cryptocurrency, if the United States put their foot down and China put their foot down, they can actually stop it. There's someone they can go to with their guns and it's game over. Well, you can't do that with Bitcoin. Mad Money Jim Cramer endorses ETH as a great store of value amid the US dollar concerns. Like, all the Ethereum people are saying, what did we do to you, Cramer? Why? Why do you have to come and endorse our stuff? Couldn't you just stay silent? Why? So yeah, we all know that Cramer's saying anything is a kiss of death. And let's take a look at the chart to see what kind of kiss of death he's doing to Ethereum. All right, this trade is over, right? And let's just see what we can come up with. Autos, right? And let's just go to 4 hour. Oof. Well, I mean, if we fail here, fail to break out here, it is lights out for Ethereum. And with Cramer coming out to say that, you might want to say, okay, well, you know what? There's a low risk short here. Unfortunately, it is what it is, right? Right? You can take a short here, and just the short could be at the breakout of this wick. You see, it's only like a 1% loss, and you can go a 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio very easily, and then see where the rest takes you. So let me just zoom in on that. 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio takes you right back to the top of this range effectively, because you can see that there is a range at the top here that Ethereum was like bouncing off of, and we bounce off this over here. So we'll retest the bottoms again. So it is a risk play because this was a fail reversal, right? And we're trying to bet against this failure here, but it's a good risk play because you're in a good position if this thing plays out. So shorting here would be a smart move because you've got a really hardcore position should the market move and break down, because all it has to do is break down below 3,600, 3,700, actually close to 3,700. And then boom, we're going even further down. So that's what's going to happen if we come down here. If we come down here and break down, right? So that's a key thing. Looking at Bitcoin, Bitcoin is, well, I told you the 71 earlier on, that 71 was going to be the target right here. We are hit the target, $71,000 just at this last resistance level. And it's trying to decide what it wants to do on a daily market. We are actually bullish still. And we can see that we're just trying to find a new higher low. So once we find that, we should start our ascent because we've broken out of here. Now, it doesn't guarantee us. We could be still stuck in the channel. We could be going sideways for another month or two. So we could be stuck between the 71,600 and the 60,700-ish area for the next 2 months. So be prepared for either a scenario where either we're going higher or we're going sideways, right? I think Bitcoin has decided on which one it is. Decided on those the two directions. It's not going to break down at this point in time because we've already created some new higher highs. I don't see the 52 in the market in this case bearish scenario any longer ever since we've moved into this higher highs and higher lows area. So let's just see if it comes back to this downward trend line. That's a big buy. That's a nice, perfect risk buy. If it comes down here, you have the advantage, right? If we come down to 64, 65K area, it's a buy. Okay, well, I hope you guys learned something today. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. You know what? There's no chance of me doing another video tomorrow. I might do a solo one because I'm going to be traveling and be driving around all day tomorrow. So just not a chance to do videos, but hey, I might be able to do something in the car, do something solo and publish it. So look out for that tomorrow. All right. Thanks for watching and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Cheers.